And we are
So
live.
that's perfect.
So
All
for
right, I just opened. Okay. So number 3. I don't know. Have you looked at any of these at all, or like I can wait until you read some, or I can just move kind of fast, or whatever you want to do. So.
Lesson 3, true linear regression equation. Isn't it always? Wouldn't it be section number 3 because didn't they say it's always it equals 0 or it doesn't equal 0?
Yes. Yep. That's what I put.
And then a residual is.
It's the number 2 is the difference between the observed value y and the value predicted by the regression line.
A plot of a residual supports using linear regression when, isn't that when it has to be spread out?
Let's see, I think it's the normally, let's see, let me look through them again. I think it's the one that's normally distributed. Yeah, the residuals look normally distributed.
Yeah, which means that they're not linear and they're not cone-shaped and they're just kind of scattered all over the place. Compute the residuals for math self-efficacy data using software. Use the confidence data as the explanatory variable and the score data as the response variable. What statement best describes residuals? I haven't done that part yet. I can if you want me to do it real quick.
It's up to you. If it's more or less if you feel comfortable with my answers, but I'm almost positive it's the -40 and 25. The residuals are between. I think it even says that in the reading.
Let me just pull it up real quick.
Let's see.
It's the statistical flowchart, isn't it?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, I'm confused. For math self-efficacy data. Okay. I need to open that. There is the link to open that. There it is. Okay, so it said that the score is what?
Let's see. -40 and 25.
No, when we copy and paste it into the.
So the score is. Oh, crap. Hold on. Where do we get the score from? I forget. Because it doesn't have it in here.
No, in the math question, it says use the confidence data as the explanatory variable and the score data as the response variable. Which file do we use? This is the inference procedures, isn't it?
Yes, At least that's what I did, so I did it right.
Hey, why does it keep coming up as a one-sample t-test? It's not a stinking one-sample t-test.
Yeah. I have so much trouble with my computer in this class, it's driven me insane.
I am frustrated too because, okay, it's linear regression. Finally. So the score was the response variable. Okay. And then the explanatory variable would be the other one.
I'm just gonna stay here. What is it? No, please don't.
Okay. So we are looking for the residuals. Where do we find the residuals again?
Let's see. Where did I get them from? This one. Just don't turn it too loud because I can't hold it too much.
In column E of the Excel spreadsheet. E, residuals. So okay, I don't see a -40 in the residuals.
I'm trying to pull this thing. It's really hard for me to like redo anything because as soon as my thing is in Google Hangouts, it doesn't open up like any of the SPSS or anything. So I try and take screenshots, but somehow that doesn't really show me like what I am doing or where I got crap from. So I'm trying to see if it'll let me open this back up again, but it's taking forever.
We have these stupid little black flies that they're like in our house and they're driving me insane.
Ugh, like little gnats.
Yes.
That's so annoying. Yeah, this. I don't think this is gonna let me open it back up. Hold on. Yeah, oh crap. It's like making my other stuff freeze now.
Okay.
We could always wait on that one, skip it for now, and then wait on it and see if Nicole has any comments or anything.
Highlight column D and E. What the heck? Okay, highlight column D and E. Click on the Insert tab and then click on Scatter. You want the first choice, Scatter with only markers. Scatter. Okay. I'm sorry. I almost have it.
Okay. Well, I'm sorry I can't get more help. It's just so annoying that I can't, like, open up stuff when I'm on the video chat. It's like that. It makes me do all my homework earlier, so that's like good, but at the same time, it's really annoying.
Yeah. This kind of looks like a pattern to me for the residuals.
Oh.
So I think it might be number 3. Because it doesn't go down to -40. Let me see if there's something over 25.
Common linear pattern.
I guess technically it could fall into the between -40 and 25, but it doesn't go down that low, and it doesn't get close to the...
It could be the residuals from a linear pattern.
Let me see if I can show you the pattern that came up. Do you know how to like do a screenshot and show?
There's I have never done it before, but everybody says there's a way to like share your screen on here. Try looking. Okay, so scroll your mouse over to the right side. I mean the left side of the screen, and it pops up like chat, and then it has like a green screen with like an arrow in it. That's share screen. You can click on that, and you could share what your screen's looking at.
Screen share. Here. No. Hey, why does it keep moving? Start screen share. Okay. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Okay, that one that's in the middle that looks like it's a straight line across, that's the scatter plot I got from the whatever it's called, the residuals. So, do you think that looks like...
I don't think I thought it was, hey, Courtney.
Do you know how to stop a screen share now?
Huh?
Do you know how to stop the screen
I don't know.
Did it stop?
Yeah. Yeah, it stopped right now.
Okay.
We're trying to decide, have you already done this, Courtney, at all, or looked at it or anything?
Which one?
The homework quiz for lesson 23.
Yeah, the 23.
I think that's the one I did. Let me check. Yeah. Yes. All right. What do we?
Okay, so we're on number 6 right now. I can just like read you the answers that we have for the other ones.
Yeah. But
if you want.
yeah. Oh, okay, yeah.
So
Okay.
for number 3, was C.
Okay. That's what I got.
And then for number 4, we thought it was B.
Mhm.
And then 5, we thought it was 4.
Yeah.
And then 6, I think that it is 1. We're trying to decide between 1 and 3.
Yeah, I got 1.
Okay, let's go with that then.
All right, and then let's see for 7. I think it's C on this one.
For it to be normal, it has to be really scattered, doesn't it?
Yeah, which I feel like it was, but because they're, I don't know.
Yeah.
It's definitely not right skewed.
Yeah, that's
No, it's not.
the only logical answer.
So you're doing number 3?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
I can do that. I'm in.
On this one, I think it is 1, 2, and 3. I think we're all correct.
I got 2.
Okay. Let's B1, the estimate of the slope. That's 12.725.
That's what I got. Yeah.
You said for 9 you got 12.725?
Yeah.
Mine's close. I did 12.695 was mine.
Huh.
Let me see if I can do it again. Yeah, I don't know. And Courtney, you got 725 too?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll just go with that one because I can't get it to redo it. Okay, and then what is the confidence interval for B1? I think it's the 10.708 and the 14.742.
Yeah.
Yeah. 10.70.
And this one, we reject the null. Like, it's because the p-value is less than a.
Yeah.
I think.
Yeah, that's I think.
And then 12. If we reject the null, would mean there is sufficient evidence to conclude that the slope of the regression line is not 0, right? I think.
Say that again. I'm sorry.
It would be, I think it would be the third one, there is sufficient evidence to conclude that the slope of the regression line is not 0.
Yeah.
Is that right? Okay. And then the dependent variable on 13 would be the body length.
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah.
And then since the 99% confidence interval for these data is 7.124 and 8311, what can you say about B1? And this one, I think it is the first one.
Yep, that's what I'm thinking. Do you agree, Courtney?
Which one? Sorry. The first one?
Yeah.
The first one, I'm thinking.
Yeah, that's what I put.
Alright, does everybody feel good about stuff? You just want to submit? What do you guys think?
Well, we only got one wrong.
Wait, which one did you get wrong?
Number 4.
Number 4. Well, that's better than nothing, I guess.
I thought you guys would that one.
That was one. Let's see. Mine's still taking forever to submit, so we'll see what mine says.
Didn't you use the second one?
Oh, I was say yeah. What did you choose for 4, Heidi? Because I got 4 right.
Maybe I just
I guess
accidentally clicked
Yeah.
the wrong one.
Yeah.
the second one's right. That's good. And I'll send all these to Nicole if she doesn't make it here in time. I'll just send it to her.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright, hold on, I'm gonna open up the other one too.
Do you want me to end the broadcast now since we don't have to record for lesson 24?
Yeah, it doesn't matter either way.
Yeah.
I don't know what press is. This one's the one that's really long, and I have to go soon. But